When we inquire about our performance action on our processes, we usually don't want all the processes displayed on the screen. It's simply a problem of too much information. Most often, we want to find information on a single process. So to do so, we can use a filtering command grep here. Grep. So which we introduced this grep command in previous lectures, so we will use this grep command more. So to demonstrate, we will use the Metasploit exploitation framework, the most widely used exploitation framework and nearly every hacker's good friend. So this comes installed in your Kali system. To start Metasploit, with Metasploit, you will enter the new terminal, open new tab here, and write MSF console here. It might take some seconds here or minutes depending on your systems here. So our Metasploit is started here. So now, for example, once the exploitation framework has been started, let's see whether we can find it in the list of processes. To do so, use the ps here, ps aux command and the pipe here after that to grep looking for the string MSF console and grep MSF console. Here, as you can see here, we have two processes in MSF console. The first process ID is 1671, and the second is 1699. So from the filtered output in the listing, you shall see all the processes that match the term MSF console. So the PostgreSQL database, which is the database of Metasploit users, is shown in the Metasploit program itself from user bin MSF console. Finally, you should see the grep command used to look for MSF console. Notice that the output did not include the column header list from the PS, since the keyword MSF console is not in the header. It's not displayed, even so the results are displayed in the same format. From this, you can learn some important information. If, for example, you need to know how many resources Metasploit is using, you can consult the third column, the CPU column here, CPU column, to see it's using 19% of your CPU. It may different in your computer or a Kali system here, and consult the third column so that using the 4% of our memory here, system memory. That's quite a bit. It's demanding best. So finding the greediest processes with top. So when you enter the ps command like that, the processes are displayed in order they were started here. And since the kernel assigns process ID in order that they have started, what you see are processes ordered by the PID number. So in many cases, we want to know which processes are using the most resources. This is where the top command comes in handy, because it displays the processes ordered by resources used, starting with the largest here, as you can see here. So unlike the ps command, which gives us a one-time snapshot of the pro cases, so the top refreshes the list dynamically by default every 10 seconds or 5 seconds here. So you can watch and monitor those resource hungry processes as shown here. Now you will learn managing processes here. So in next lecture you will learn it. So I'm waiting you in next lecture.